I know the struggles that come with skin lightening and brightening, and that is why in today's video, we'll be talking about skin lightening and brightening pack that will give you that instantly glowing skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always dropping by. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below so that you can get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, we are going to be talking about instant skin lightening and brightening pack for glowing skin. So if you're looking to achieve that lighter, radiant, glowing, beautiful skin with no discoloration, green veins, dark knuckles, or the likes, then you definitely need to keep on watching, because I'm going to be walking you through the various products for instant skin lightening and brightening, how to apply this product, and why they are unique from every other lightening and brightening products out there in the market. So this instant brightening and lightening packs actually contains a body soap, body lotion, and a body scrub. So let's dive right into it. Majority of people encounter lots of challenges like dark spot, dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks when trying to brighten or lighten up their skin tone. There's this picture I saw online. The guy's upper body parts were dark while his legs were so fair. I'll try and see if I took a screenshot of that and insert it somewhere here. This is what we call ihuko Fanta. Like, this is something that some people low-key battle with, and that is why I decided to come up with this particular topic, because there are lots of people that are in the quest of achieving a lighter, glowing skin, and that is why mostly they end up with this kind of results. So if you honestly want to avoid looking like this, then you definitely need to use any of this instant lightening or brightening pack. These products will deliver exceptional results when it comes to brightening and lightening your skin. They will give you that beautiful glowing skin. Now, for your instant brightening pack, you're going to be needing just 3 products, and the first product you'll be needing is this Skin by Zaron brightening body wash. Now, why did I pick this particular body wash? Skin by Zaron vitamin C body wash is a newly formulated body wash that contains ingredients like vitamin C, glycolic acid, and castor oil. And the blend of these 3 ingredients is definitely going to help brighten your skin, exfoliate your skin, moisturize your skin, and give you that beautiful glowing skin. So if you're looking for a body wash that will brighten your skin and take away the dullness on your skin and give you that smooth, softer, beautiful, glowing skin, then this Skin by Zaron vitamin C body wash definitely has to be it. Vitamin C on its own is definitely going to help brighten your skin, while your glycolic acid is going to gently exfoliate your skin, and your castor oil is going to feed back moisture into your skin. So this is a body wash that will cleanse your skin, brighten your skin, and give you that amazing and instant glowing skin. This is a creamy body wash, and it lathers so well. It's not going to strip your skin of its natural moisture and oils. It's a body wash that will cleanse and replenish your skin. This body wash is so effective and it's going to give you that brighter skin. It retails at the price of 9,380 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. I know that not everyone can actually afford to get this, and that is why I decided to pick this Hawaii papaya soap as a cheaper alternative for those of you that cannot afford to get the Skin by Zaron body wash. This particular Hawaii papaya soap retails at the price of 1,000 naira or 1,2, depending on where you're getting it from. It's so amazing and it's going to help brighten and glow your complexion. Now, the next or second product you will need in your instant skin brightening pack is this Skin by Zaron vitamin C body lotion, which contains ingredients like vitamin C, alpha arbutin, kojic acid, niacinamide, collagen, mother of pearl extract. These are ingredients that work hand in hand to evenly brighten up your complexion. This particular body lotion is going to help tackle the dark spots on your skin, and if you're someone battling with discolorations on your body, then this is definitely a body lotion I'll recommend you use. It's going to instantly brighten your skin and give you that beautiful glowing skin. So pairing it together with the Skin by Zaron vitamin C body wash is definitely going to be a game changer in your skincare routine. It's going to give you that brighter glowing skin in a shorter period, and that is because Using this vitamin C body lotion on its own will brighten your skin, but it's going to take a while. But combining it together with the body wash is definitely going to take a shorter period of time for you to achieve that brighter, glowing skin. And the amazing thing about this combo is that it's going to evenly brighten up your complexion. You're not going to experience any form of discolorations or uneven skin tone when you pair these two products together. It's a product that is tested and trusted, and I'm going to tell you for sure, you're going to achieve that brighter, glowing skin pairing these two products together. If you're someone that battles with body acne or discolorations on your skin, then this is definitely a body combo I recommend you use. It's going to brighten up your complexion and give you that brighter, radiant, glowing complexion. This Skin by Zaron Vitamin C body lotion currently retails at the price of 9,980 naira or more, depending on where you're getting it from. So the third product you'll be needing in your instant skin brightening pack is this Dove exfoliating body scrub with macadamia and rice milk. This is one Dove body polish that will slough off the dead skin cells on your skin and give you that softer, beautiful, glowing skin. Like, this is one body scrub that will give you that baby soft skin. It smells so good. And the rice milk ingredients in this body scrub is going to help inhibit melanin production on your skin and reduce any form of hyperpigmentation on your body. Is a body scrub that will brighten and glow your skin. It's going to give you that uniform complexion from your head down to your toe. It retails at the price of 7,000 naira or less, depending on where you're getting it from. It's an amazing body polish that you need to use if you want to achieve that brighter, radiant, glowing complexion. Now, let's take a look at your instant skin lightening pack. So, the first product you're going to be needing in your skin lightening pack is this Kojic white soap. This is an excellent addition in your skincare routine. It's going to help lighten your skin and give you that beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. It contains ingredients like glutathione and papaya, and is definitely going to help lighten and glow your complexion. It retails at the price of 1,200 naira and is an amazing and budget friendly soap that you can get if you're looking to lighten your skin without any form of discolorations, hyperpigmentations, or uneven skin tone. Like we all know, if you're using a lightening soap in your skincare routine, you need to understand that soaps are wash off products. So they are not like your body lotion that sits on your skin for long hours of the day. These are products that you just apply on your skin during shower and rinse off immediately after shower. So they are not going to give you that same result as your body lotion. Like, it's going to take a while for you to be able to see results using this particular lightening soap. And that is why I went ahead to pick the particular body lotion that you're going to be pairing this with. So now, for those of you that do not enjoy using bar soaps in your skincare routine, you can reach out for this extreme whitening body wash. This is also an amazing lightening body wash that will gradually lighten and give you that smooth, soft, healthy looking skin tone. It's going to make your skin feel so smooth, soft, and beautiful. Like, this is a very nice lightening body wash that will glow and lighten your skin without any form of discolorations or uneven skin tone. This particular body wash retails at the price range of 4,000 or 3,500 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So it's a very nice and effective lightening body wash that will lighten and glow your complexion. Now, the body lotion you need to pair with any of those body soap is this Silky White Lightening Body Milk. This is one of the best and safe skin lightening body lotions out there in the market. This particular body lotion is not a bleaching cream. It's a body lotion that will help to moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and even out your complexion. It's a mild and gentle lightening body lotion. It's not a body lotion that will give you quick results or damage your skin tone. It's a body lotion that will gently and gradually make your complexion look a lot fairer. This body lotion actually comes in two different variants, but I chose this particular body milk one because of how moisturizing it is on the skin. And you guys know that anything body milk moisturizes and nourishes the skin, and that is why I went ahead to pick this particular one, because it's going to evenly nourish and glow your skin. It contains arbutin that helps to gradually brighten and glow the skin. So pairing this particular body lotion with any of these soaps will safely and effectively lighten up your skin with no discoloration, green veins, dark marks on your skin. So if you're looking to effectively lighten your skin without encountering any adverse effects like green veins, dark knuckles, stretch marks, then this is definitely a combo I'll recommend you try out. It's going to instantly lighten your skin and give you that beautiful glowing skin. So the third product you'll be needing in your instant skin lightening pack is this Cool Spa Lightening Salt Scrub. This particular body scrub contains turmeric, which is the active ingredient. So it's going to effectively exfoliate your skin and lighten up your skin. This scrub on its own is so effective. Exfoliating your skin with this scrub is going to make your body lotion and other products you apply on your skin to work a lot better. So you definitely need to be exfoliating your skin if you want a lighter glowing skin. This is an affordable body scrub and it retails at the price range of 2,000 to 3,500 naira depending on where you're getting it from. So it's a very nice body scrub that will exfoliate and give you that beautiful glowing skin. Now, let's talk about how to apply each of these products in your skincare routine for maximum results. So if you're using the instant skin brightening or lightening pack, you definitely need to start off by cleansing or taking a shower, and that is where your body soap or body wash comes in. Lather your body soap with your sponge and use it to wash your body. Once you're done washing your body right there in the shower, go ahead, take a little amount of your scrub and in a circular motion, gently apply it all over your body. That way, you're going to be sloughing off the dead skin cells sitting on your body. Take your time, exfoliate in a circular motion, and once you're done, you can rinse off the whole body soap and scrub, and that is it. You need to understand that you do not have to exfoliate every day. Your exfoliation should be 2 or 3 times weekly. So you can choose to exfoliate on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Or better still, you can pick any day that is comfortable for you. So try as much as possible to exfoliate once or twice weekly. Now, immediately you step out from the shower, the next thing you want to do is to apply your body lotion. And I would advise you take your time and ensure you apply these body lotions, especially on areas where it's most needed. That way, the ingredients in your body lotion is going to help nourish, moisturize, and glow your skin. So that is simply it on how you can use your lightening and brightening body pack. These are products that you can actually stick to for a long period of time. They are not products that will lighten or brighten your skin under 3 days. In as much as they give that instant result, you definitely need to be consistent. If you have any questions, please do well to drop them right in the comment section. So yeah, that is simply it on the instant skin lightening and brightening pack for glowing skin. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.